Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, December 12th. Well, we had some follow through in the NASDAQ market, some fundamental things out here driving it, starting in Asia, and we saw a little bit of follow through in Europe and also here in the United States. I do look for continuation of that on Tuesday, but a relatively small range because of some of the fundamentals coming out on Wednesday with the Federal Reserve. Let's move on though and see what's going on with those currencies. And what we can see is that the euro did trade above its bullish level. Magnitude change here in that market is $1,312.50, and in the Swissy it also traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here $1,125 a contract, and down here in our friend the Aussie dollar, magnitude change between the bearish and bullish levels in that market is $540 a contract. And what do we look for on Tuesday? I look for a sideways move in these currencies on Tuesday. Not a dramatic move up or down, but rather a sideways type move. In the interest rate markets, well, the 10-year notes did give us a bit of a rally and then it broke. I like that. That supports our view for the stock market. And in the in the bond market, 30-year bonds, we traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change there in that market is $281.25 a contract. And I do look for follow through to the downside in the 30-year treasuries. Over in gold, let's take a closer look at that market. And in the gold market, I look for the sideways market to continue. I don't think we have a strong reason for that market to rally. And if we look at the copper market, it traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market is $2,250 a contract. And I look for a sideways to slightly higher move. This should be a stronger move actually on Monday. It's a little disappointing, but Tuesday it's going to be important, I think, for longer term movement in that market. Crude oil did firm up a bit. We have an issue with the pipeline being shut down, and it does put some upward pressure here. I just don't look for strong follow through in that market, but unchanged to higher is the call for crude oil. Natural gas, on the other hand, traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here in that market is $725 a contract. I'm looking for an inside day on Tuesday. And in the grain market, let's see what's happening there. Down here in soybeans, the market did break lower. We have to be careful here. This is a logical level for buyers to come back into this market, but right now at this action that we're seeing here, nothing telling us to be a buyer. That concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.